Today, we're diving into the best TradingView strategies that traders use to maximize profits and manage risk efficiently. TradingView offers a robust platform with advanced charting tools, indicators, and automated alerts, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. A key approach is using a combination of trend following and momentum strategies. Moving averages, particularly the 50-day and 200-day, are essential for identifying long-term trends and confirming entry and exit points. When a shorter moving average crosses above a longer one, it signals a potential buy, while a cross below suggests a sell. Another highly effective strategy is RSI-based trading. The Relative Strength Index helps identify overbought and oversold conditions. When the RSI reaches above 70, it often indicates the asset is overbought, suggesting a potential reversal or profit-taking opportunity. Conversely, when the RSI dips below 30, it signals oversold conditions and possible buying opportunities. Combining RSI with trend indicators adds reliability to trades. Support and resistance levels remain critical. TradingView's drawing tools make it simple to map key levels where price historically reverses or breaks out. Breakouts above resistance or bounces from support provide clear entry points, while stop-loss orders just beyond these levels help minimize losses. Volume analysis is another integral strategy. Increased volume during price moves confirms trend strength and reduces false signals. Volume spikes during consolidations often precede breakout trades. Additionally, the MACD indicator is widely used for spotting momentum shifts. MACD line crossovers and divergences provide strong clues for both short-term and long-term trade entries. By combining these strategies, traders can develop a disciplined approach to trading. Backtesting each strategy on TradingView allows verification of performance before committing real capital. Consistently applying these methods enhances decision-making and helps achieve sustainable profits. Mastering these strategies on TradingView can give traders a significant edge in the market, making informed, data-driven decisions while reducing emotional trading errors.